In this video, I want to talk about the correct mentality, in my opinion, to extract money from these markets, from the cryptocurrency markets, when trading, okay? So, I will explain what I think that is the correct mentality to do not be fooled by the market and to gain and extract money from it, okay? Before jumping into the video, I encourage you to follow me on Twitter at trading_soldier. Here is my official Twitter. Now I changed my profile picture, but usually I'm verified. And also I encourage you to visit my website trading-soldier.com, where you can see a lot of posts that I did explaining a lot of topics, and you can read it here. I have many posts and also videos here explaining a lot of trading strategies and a lot of valuable knowledge. Okay, so what is the correct mentality that I need to have to extract money from the markets? Well, myself in the past and also many people I know approach this market from a thirsty mentality. What I mean by a thirsty mentality? Thirsty mentality is when you need something, when you are thirsty of water or in this case money, okay? So when you are thirsty, when you need money, when you need to extract money of this market, when you want to trade on leverage, for example, and you want to do 50x, 25x, okay, and you need this money, you want this money, you are greedy, you think that you are going to be rich doing two trades, okay? The issue with this mentality is that you need money. So your decisions that you are making in the market when you are trading are based in the need, in the thirst you have to extract this money in this market. So you, in your inside, are needy for this money. So what's the issue with this mindset? When the market will do what he needs to do or what he wants to do, not what you want to do, okay? So the issue here is that your decisions will be based on this thirst, on this need that you have to gain this money. So you will get emotional. And you know, when you are trading, the last thing you want to have or you want to feel is emotions and rule your decisions based on these emotions, okay? So this is the first mistake I see. So the correct mistake, the correct mindset you have to have in order to extract the money is be analytical, be calm, be zen, let's say, about the market, okay? If the market does, for example, here is the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour time frame. If the market does something, okay, now the market is doing something, is having a push to the downside and marking with high volume, okay, a flash of liquidity, a flash of long positions, okay, then stops and then range, okay? Now, if I see this, for example, now we are in a range, but here I can enter a long because the long side has been enough or sufficiently wrecked in order for a push to the upside. Then now range. In my view, now the bears are wrecked. Now I can push maybe to the downside, okay? So I can enter a short, for example. But this is a particular case. But in overall, my thinking overall is that you have to be analytical. You have to take decisions based on what the chart is telling you, okay? If the chart is telling me nothing, here, for example, in this section here, in this range here, the chart is telling me nothing. Just liquidity graphs in the upside, in the downside, okay? So here I will not act. Here the market shows me his character, change of character, okay? And then here I can act. Now the market is also doing nothing. You can take bets, okay? But bets are based on luck or in probability, but not in let's say, analytical thinking, okay? So turning back into the mindset that you need to have in order to stack money from these markets, crazy markets, you need to act from a point of abundance and also from a point of not neediness. You need to feel that, and you need to have abundance, okay? So, you know, the market is always moving. There will be infinite opportunities to extract money from the market, but you need to have the probability by your side. And if you are taking bets or you are supposing things, you know, right now a new or a data piece can exit in the market and change all this analytical or technical analysis you have done in the past. And it will make a pump or it will make a dump, okay? So you need to be analytical. What the market is doing, what the chart is telling me to do, okay? I will not suppose things. I will not overthink. If the market does this, I will do that. If the market did not do this, I will not do that, okay? I need to be reactive, not active or react. I want to be reactive to the chart, to what the chart is telling me. I don't want to be proactive, okay? Sorry about that, but I think the point is clear. I don't want to be proactive. I don't want to take actions in advance, okay? Because no one knows what the market is going to do, okay? I want to be reactive. I want to react after the market is telling me what he wants to do, okay? And for ending this video, I will compare this to dating or to having a relationship with a woman, or, you know, when you are flirting with a woman, okay? Market is based in psychology, and also, you know, mating strategies with a female also are based on psychology, okay? And if we, you know, extract this mindset from a trading perspective, about dating or mating with a female, we can see a lot of similarities, okay? For example, if a woman sees that you are thirsty, that you don't have any other women, she's the only one, you need her, okay? She is going to punish you. The same with the market, okay? If you go with an abundance mindset, she sees you as reactive, okay? If she has a bad behavior or she ghosted you, you don't know. You know how to treat her, how to maintain the frame, how to punish, let's say, her, okay? You are reactive, you are taking decisions based on what she is doing, okay? So you will almost never be wrong about this. If you are analytical, okay, and you take decisions after she does something or after the market does something, you will be less wrong, okay? Because you are making an action based on let's say a comportament or a feature or let's say a thing that has happened, okay? So this is to make an example, to extrapolate the concept and to make you understand better that there are other fields in life that you can extrapolate this thinking, and this will be useful. And also, I myself in the past, I was thirsty with women and also with the markets. But when you have skin in the game, when you have a lot of, you know, experience in those markets or also in the dating fields, you know that you need to operate in an abundance mentality with an analytical thinking. You need to operate measuring every step you take in order to not to lose and to take the correct decisions. This is not guaranteeing you that you are always going to win, okay? okay? But if you are very analytical and very critical and you don't make, let's say, decisions based on feelings or based on the thirsty or the needy feelings, okay, you are going to improve a lot in trading, in dating, and also in business, in life, also in your enterprise, in your company. When you have a company, if you are making partnership with your partners or with suppliers based on need, they are going to smell this need in you, okay? Also the markets. If you are needy, you are weak, and the life, the markets, women, companies, entrepreneurship, okay, they are going to punish the needy, okay? You need to be strong, have a strong mind, be analytical, and sometimes the better thing you can do is do nothing, okay? Stay, observe, wait to the opportunity, okay? Because there's no point. If you need to gain this money, here, for example, I want to make the last sample and I will finish the video, okay? Here, all these people are taking bets, okay? I'm going to go long, I'm going to go short, long, short, boom, wrecked. Oh, okay, now I'm going long, now I'm going short, it's going to fall more, okay, wrecked, okay? Here is fooling you, the market, okay? Here the market can't fool you, okay? Because you see a pump to the upside, you see volume, yeah. But if you know how markets operate, you see volume to the upside, people is buying, maybe it's a push to the upside, but if you see here depletion, you know that the market is fooling you. You will not enter here, okay? The same here. Here is fooling you, you don't know what it's going to do, low volatility, okay? It's better to hands off the keyboard, hands off of the trading desk, okay? I will wait, okay? When I will see a clear trend, a clear entry point, I will take it. This doesn't mean that I will win 100% of the time, but at least I will make sure that the probability and my decisions are based in some fundamental levels. I see something in the chart has done something that makes me do the other. I waited enough, I see the sentiment, I see the technicals, I see the news, I see also all the puzzle is making the picture, okay? But I'm basing my decisions out of analytical and critical thinking, not based on need of gaining money of this market, because I proved myself this in the past, and also seen a lot of friends of mine, a lot of people I know that also trade these markets, not only cryptocurrency, but also TradeFi, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, and also Forex, okay? They operate in need because they want this $200 a month more, or they want to gain $5,000 to buy this car, okay? Let's say. These are examples, but they operate from the need. Here in the markets, the ones that are going to win money and extract money are the ones that are willing to wait and willing to act with a critical thinking. The same with the females. The 20% or 50% of the guys are banging the other 80% of the beautiful females. Here, the 50 or 20% of the traders are gaining money, the other 80% that are impatient and are not taking, let's say, correct decisions based on critical and analytical factors, they are losing, okay? So that's what I want to communicate in this video. It's very simple concept, but I encourage you to, before opening a trade in this market, think. Wait a second, don't hit the buy or sell button, okay? And think where I am operating from, okay? I'm opening this position because I see objective and clear and critical factors that are determining that this decision is based on critical and analytical thinking, or I am opening this position based on, let's say, need because I want to gain money, or also many let's say, many times, you open a position because you want that rush, okay? Because when you open a position, you feel that adrenaline pump, okay? That you need. You feel better, you feel anxious, but also, let's say, you become addicted to it, okay? And you need to control this, because maybe you are not trading from a month, you have not opened a trade in a month because volatility is low, you don't see clear entries, okay? And you think, hell, I need to open this position, I need to gain money, this month I did not open any positions, okay? And you operate from this not critical thinking, from need, from feelings, from you feel anxious for opening a position, you feel anxious because the market is not doing something, making a clear move, okay? That's where you get wrecked, okay? When you don't have the patience and when you don't wait to the correct setup to play out, okay? Because from experience I can tell you that taking 100 trades in a month is worse than taking 2 trades but correct, because the profits, if you let them run and you take the correct approach and the correct entry point and you make the correct decisions, with 2 trades you can make a hell lot of money rather than a trader that is doing day trading and opening a lot of positions. But also from a probability standpoint, if you see this from a probability standpoint, if you make 100 trades, you have more probabilities to be wrong, also to be right, but also to be wrong. And you don't have to forget that we are humans, we have a brain, and our brain is, this market is 24/7 open, 30 all the year, okay? All the year the market is open, okay? And your brain is not prepared to do this. If you make 100 trades a month or 500 trades a month, you are overtrading. Your brain is going nuts. You have a life, you need to have a personal life, you need to train, you need to develop, you need to have a girlfriend to stay with her, okay, to spend time with the family, with your friends, to exit outside. You cannot be all the day in front of a screen because you are going to be mad. Your brain is not prepared for this. There's algorithms and programs that are made for this, but you are a human. So if you wait the risk-reward ratio of your time invested here and making 100 trades a month, or observing the market, yes, I'm not telling you that you don't have to observe the market, because I observe it every day, every half. I always observing, but when I see the opportunity, I will jump. Okay, this is the difference, because between the people that lose money and the people that make money. Okay, you can observe for 2 months, but when you see that opportunity, you need to jump. You need to take action. Okay, maybe it's 5% of the time you need to take action. You have to put your bollocks on the line, grab your bollocks and say, okay, now is the time to jump in a long. Now is the time to jump in a short. Okay, but the other time, relax. Okay, don't operate in an anxious or needy way. Okay, relax, observe. If you don't have the need to have money, from this you have other, let's say, income sources, you are not going to get full this. You are going to get full, but not this easy, but by this market, okay? So that's the message. Operate from a abundance mentality, be critical, be analytical, don't be anxious, don't be irrational, don't make, also in life, also in business, also with your partner, also with your friends, with dating, also in your work. Don't be needy. Don't be making decisions based off feelings. Be rational. Be, let's say, critical, analytical. And your life will improve, your trading will improve, your relations will improve, you will improve. And I hope this video opened your eyes. I know that this message is, let's say, many people says it. I don't know if many people say it really, but I heard this message before, okay? But it's true. Apply it. Try it. At least try it. Apply it to your life. Apply it to your trading. Apply it to your business. Apply it to your family, to your relations, and you will see the improvements. I guarantee you, my friend. Okay, so if you like this video, leave me a like, and I encourage you, as always, to follow me on Twitter. Here is the let's say the social network that I most active on Twitter, because I see a good trajectory here in Twitter. So follow me at trading_soldier, and also visit my website trading-soldier.com. As I said before, you can see a lot of valuable data here, valuable posts that I explain you a lot of things that you need in order to be a good trader. Okay, so thank you for your time, and we see you on the next video.